Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Okay, this is the progress I'm making on the maple syrup. I've come over to empty the containers. I'm not sure how much is in there, but it's flowing, as you can see, which is absolutely wonderful. This one's a really, quick gusher here. Does this, see that, right? So I'm gonna empty. You can see that right there, right there. Go ahead and, yeah, that just needs to melt down. We got, well, I have 7 days. Let me see what this looks like. Yeah, looks good, nice and clear, beautiful. And that one looks like it's doing really well. Let me put that, see that? Is that cool or what? It's dripping. Let me see if I can, let's see. Yeah, is that cool? That's it. Oh, let's empty these guys. I'm going to take the other, as you can see, I've got 5 taps on this tree. 1, 2, 3, nope, I have 4. I'm going to grab the last one because it's not doing very well, and I'm going to add it to this monstrous maple. It's just gushing maple syrup. Cool. And I'm going to go measure how much in one day that I got. So that's what I have today. It's running really well. We have one, and I'm assuming this is probably going to be half a gallon here from one full day. So that's not a bad yield. So this one's full. This one will be, and I'm kind of like straining it as I go. See the ice in there, so not bad. Wait till this thaws down, get this in this gallon, and I'm going to set it outside for storage. I have 7 days to get it boiled down. I'm going to collect in the next 7 days and probably cook it down the 7th day. So more later.